Hello friends, did you know that your ikigai can make you wealthy? Let's start, let's enjoy. Today we are going to talk about how your ikigai can help you become wealthy. What is this concept, ikigai? In a series called Wealth Creation, today we are going to talk about wealth creation and ikigai. So ikigai is basically a Japanese concept. It is a combination of your passion, profession, vocation, and mission. To summarize it, I would like to use three statements. A very small statement. What is ikigai? Is all about your true calling. Ikigai is something that your life is worth living for. Third is ikigai is that gets you out of your bed every morning. So ikigai is not just your life, your purpose of the life is not just earning money and money and money, and at the end of the day you are exhausted, but you reach the destination but you are not happy. So ikigai is all about feeling empty to feeling fulfilled. It's all about going from point A to point B, where if you know your ikigai, if you know what you love, if you know if you love, your passion becomes your love, and if you use that passion for your profession and that profession becomes your mission, you enjoy the journey from point A to point B. Otherwise, what will happen? The whole journey, the whole process will be ignored, will be tedious, will be exhausted, will be stressful. But if you follow your ikigai, if you do what you love, and that will help you creating wealth, sustainable income for you. Three Idiots, most of us have seen a movie called Three Idiots. The whole movie is talk about the very core idea of ikigai. Let me give you some example of ikigai, the great personality who have achieved great wealth by finding their ikigai. Great examples are Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan, the passion is acting, profession is acting, and he has become so good in acting that has become his mission, and mission is entertaining the world. Warren Buffett, the great investor, his passion is investing, and investing becomes his profession, and he is such good at investing that he's become a mission, and his mission is to make society, his country, the whole world financial literate, more financial wealthy people. Ratan Tata, what a great businessman. His passion for doing business become his profession, and he is doing every bit the best, and he is achieving his mission by spreading, doing philanthropy to the society. Azim Premji, what a great businessman. He knows his passion, that is business, and business become his profession, and he's so good at it. Every day he's excelling it that he has uplifted himself. He's a great guy. He has reached to that wealth creation. He's doing exceptional philanthropy. That is all for us. So when I take my example, for example, I'm sorry I'm using my name among this great personality. I'm very small and simple guy. I accidentally become a financial advisor, and gradually I realize through reflection and experience that this is something I'm looking for, and it becomes my main profession, and every day I excelling in my career, and I'm enjoying the wealth creation. and it has become my mission also to make my society help achieve their goal of financial freedom. So when you do what you love and you do it, that is your ikigai. If you're finding difficult to know what is your ikigai, then I can give you some very beautiful words that can help you. I hope that can help you. Few words are reflection, mindfulness. You know you are in present moment. You know you are in being present moment without any judgment. Going for solo trips. One of my friend who is a coach, once he was out of job, he went for a solo trip, and at that moment it was a transformation for him, and he knew that what he wanted to do. He found his ikigai. Self talk, very very strong talk that you can do to yourself to find your ikigai. So ikigai really can help you become wealthy. So when you are doing your ikigai, when you are following your ikigai, you know what is your ikigai, and your passion become profession, and you excel into that profession, that you start enjoying sustainable, steady and consistent income, regular cash flow. You are becoming wealthy person. And when you have aware of your spending and expenses, you have a debt-free life, and you know you're using your income in saving, and you're doing saving and investing, that again that help you in sustainable income, steady income, consistent income, increased income. So what's your ikigai? I hope friend this video will help you realizing your ikigai. If you know your ikigai, I congratulate you. I urge you to celebrate it, because you are few of the luckiest who know their ikigai. And if you don't worry. Most of us don't know the ikigai. It's time to find it out. I hope you like the video. If you don't like the video, still I appreciate you if you can share your feedback, your suggestions and your query. I'm Kamal Babbar. I'm financial solution provider. My mission is to help my society achieve its goal of financial freedom with my professional and authentic world-class financial planning expertise. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.